which is hard to do because she's bent over. Yeah. Don't step on my foot. Yeah, it's supposed to go there. And that hook's there. Yeah, I said this was hidden, but this has got to be released out. This has got to come further out. So, I guess, like, now, stupid, don't do that. Yeah, hey, all over the ground. So that would come up this way. And then this hooks. I'm going to hook and twist, I guess. Like that. It's supposed to hook and twist. So, the question is, there's rubbers underneath there. So that would hook and twist like that. There you go. So then you have to tighten it a little bit. So you got that, and then you have the tail strap. So I need to see if she's eating, the chest thing will fit her. Oh, sticker burrs. Well, practically ate all that. So see, this is supposed to fit her here. Don't step on the... I'm going. So, it's supposed to come back there anyway, so I think this would work. But I just got to get the chest to snap. This chest. You can buy extensions for these. There's these little extensions that you can get. I'll lift up your head. Because I think she needs the extension to fit her, but on the last one, it fits her there. Where are you going? But she may need an extension. So I don't think I can bring this up any. Oh, yeah, I can. There we go. Yeah, it fits her. It's just a cooler. It's a nice thick fleece material. So it has one strap there. Yeah, I just had to bring it up. It was sticking to her. And then, yeah, looks like that'll work for her. So then I have a blanket. And that's coming here. She got one strap there. Anyway, it's pretty thick material. So this thing ties back here, I guess, under the tail. That's what it looks like. You bring it underneath the tail to tie it, which I guess, yeah, it just goes underneath the tail to tie it back there. Okay, so that's that. Now I gotta see about her blanket fitting her. So do I just want to throw the blanket on top of this, or do I want to do it separately? I'll do it separately. So that fits her. She's got room here. She's got room. Yeah, she's good. And it does, this thing, you know, she could probably wear this and the foal can still nurse back here. The foal could still put its head down here, I think, and nurse if need be. And I got a little Jeffrey's Equine tag on here, which if this thing was washed, it may come up out in the wash. So that's that. So, I was trying to show you before I unhooked it, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, this thing's still rolling. So I'm going to shut this off and we'll try the other blanket. I'm burning up too many minutes on this camera, this sunglass thing. I'm shutting this off.